SunStar Lighting offers several benefits, including competitive pricing. SunStar Lighting offers highly competitive prices, as evidenced by the purchase of 106 recessed lights with bulbs for $10.99 each. Free shipping is available with volume orders. Customers who place large orders qualify for free shipping, reducing transportation costs. Speedy installation is another benefit. The speedy cans provided by SunStar Lighting allow for faster and more efficient installation compared to standard models. An extensive product line is available. SunStar Lighting offers a wide variety of products, including lighting fixtures, switches, and receptacles. Competitive pricing is also available on decorator switches and receptacles. The company was able to beat competitors' prices on decorator switches and receptacles by $0.50 to $1.0 per device. SunStar Lighting is recommended for electrical contractors seeking cost-effective lighting and electrical solutions, builders and developers looking for competitive pricing on large orders, and homeowners seeking affordable and durable lighting options. It is important to confirm that the products meet the specific requirements of the project and building codes. Customers should verify their availability and delivery timelines before placing orders. It is recommended to compare prices with other suppliers to ensure the best possible deal.